Improv
is
all
about
you,
and
me,
taking
a
chance
at
making
something
out
of
nothing.
boom.
You will learn to have fun in these classes and not worry so much and be yourself, be authentic. That's what these classes do.
Don't be afraid. You know, it really is. You don't have to be an actor. You don't have to be funny. Everybody is an improviser. Yeah.
You should take an improv class because
It will change your life.
it changes not
Only your outer
life, it changes your inner
life. So, sign up today so that you,
can be
a new you,
inside and
out. Boom.